How to get aim assist on Nintendo Switch Fortnite. So if you want to get the aim assist on Nintendo Switch on your Fortnite, then what you need to do is first you need to launch your Fortnite. If you play Fortnite on your Xbox, PlayStation 4, 5, or Nintendo Switch console, you can enable aim assist to make the game more accessible. After that, open the settings menu. In the newest update, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen and then click on settings. After that, you just need to simply select the controller options tab. This looks like a game controller in front of a cog icon. And after that, toggle on the option of use advanced options. This is underneath the sensitivity header and set the aim assist strength to 100%. This is underneath the new section header. If desired, you can use a lower percentage. Aim assist is now enabled for your Fortnite games. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.